Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I really need a better intro because that is so cliche and it kills me every time. But welcome back. Today you join me on a very wet and windy Sunday, but we're going to head over to Bicester Heritage to go and have a look at their 4x4 off-roady Sunday meet. So come with us, let's go. So we've arrived at Bicester and lots of 4x4s here, but this might be the best one so far. Porsche 911 Dakar. Oh yes, that is smart. Smart looking Isuzu D-Max Arctic Truck 35 here with a whole kitchen ARB setup in the back, fridge, tent, hob, sink. That's cool. All pull-outs from there. That looks cool. Looks quite smart. It's got lasers behind the grille. Laser. Oh no, that's an ARB light bar up top. That looks smart on the base rack. Yeah, that looks good. Just a shame with these Isuzus, they're a 1.9 litre engine. It's pathetic. It's no good at all. Very filthy new Defender here. Lovely Series 3. What else we got? Defender double cab with a cage on it. And that bigger arches. Let's have a look at that. That looks cool. Yeah, this looks cool. The roll cage, matte black. Big arches on it. We like a double cab, we do. Especially with a roll cage on. Do I put a roll cage on mine? I think I might have to. This does look good. Do like the look of that with the cage on. Strange one, but I do like these Fiat 4x4 rally car looking things. I don't know much about them, but they just look cool. 4x4. That is cool. Absolutely love a Range Rover Classic. This looks. I do like this one actually. Has it got the velour seats? Let's have a look. Velour. Yes. It's got velour, Billy. Velour. Nice Series 3 in red there. That looks nice. Cosy. Yeah. Look at this, the Top Gear Hilux. That's cool. And then we've got another Arctic Truck Hilux here, and another Arctic Truck Hilux, an AT35 there, with a rooftop tent on. Some Red Bull BF Goodrich sponsored job. You're going to buy an Arctic truck. I'd much rather have a Hilux than the Isuzu. It looks much better. Much better. KM3s as well. Yeah, this looks familiar. Proper beefy Rick. With a 10 on. This is cool as well. It's like I think it was a Tamiya RC car this is based off. That looks cool. Dakar rolling out. Yeah, right, so Billy and I are now leaving because it's not the nice. Rain has just picked up and yeah, it's not pleasant all of a sudden. Some nice cars about though, worth the drive over.
Oh, well, I was a passenger princess, so it was alright for me.
I love a bacon roll we had as well, but yeah, the rain's coming down now, so we're gonna foxtrot Oscar out of here. Right, so we've just got back from Bicester. It was a good little truck meet that was. Let's prop the camera here. It's going to be in new. There we go. Yeah, so just got back from Bicester. It was a really good little meet. That lots of cool cars there. Some really nice Arctic Truck Hiluxes. The one from Top Gear, which was really cool. That Dakar 911 Porsche in black. Oh, that looked good. Some lovely series, Land Rovers there, Range Rover Classics, Defenders, all sorts really. It's a good little meet. Hopefully it will be a good little sign of things to come with the Sunday Scramble, the big one in January, which I hopefully will get tickets for. But yeah, thanks again for watching. Another quick little video. But yeah, cheers. Thank you. Bye-bye.